Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jessica Bentu. So today I am bringing you guys another haul. I was in New York sometime in June for about a week and I was able to cop some things which I'd like to share with you all. So for the most part, majority of these items are thrifted. I was able to cop some things at like actual stores as well, just to like include into this haul. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's get right to it. So a few days before I went to New York, I went to my local thrift store. I was able to buy some things, and the first item is this white long sleeve blouse. The first button is actually missing, but it's fine. And what I loved about the blouse is just the texture of it. It is from the Jessica brand and it's actually a plus size blouse. I think the Jessica brand was like one of those Sears brands or like Zellers brands from like back in the day. The next item I have here is another blouse. And what drawn me to this blouse is the color. I love it. It's like a burnt brown shade. And it is also from the Jessica brand in the plus size. This is a 2X. What I love about blouses is how versatile they can be. I will not be wearing this as a regular button down shirt. I'd definitely be styling it. I was also able to cop some accessories at my local thrift store. And I got these Jessica heels. I didn't even realize that I bought like all these things from the Jessica brand. You know, it's fine. It's my name, it's my brand, so you gotta support. It's these sandal heels. Fortunately, it kind of got ruined in my luggage, so it's actually destroyed, but it's fine. I'm still gonna wear it. And I got these sandals for $8.99. The last accessory I got at my local thrift store is this bag. Absolutely love it. I love the ring detail at the front. I just think it's mad cute. It says connections at the front. I love the size of it. So vintage looking. And yeah, an online thrift store called Thrifted by LP was kind enough to send me 2 items that I had to like pick up in New York. The first item is this cropped long sleeve Hurley flannel. Love this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to wear this during like the fall winter seasons. I feel like it's perfectly cropped. It's not too short, it's not too long. Like, it's really cute. And the sleeves are super duper long, which is good for me because I have long arms. This can be styled in so many different ways and I'm excited to wear this. The next item Thrifted by LP sent me is these track pants, and it has like purple thingamajiggers on the thigh. There's also a buckle right at the front, which I think is pretty dope. And also you're able to adjust the waist. When I was in New York, I was able to hit up the Salvation Army, and the first item I'd like to show you guys is this button-up short sleeve granddaddy style shirt. I just love it. It reminds me of something of like my grandfather or like my uncle would wear, and sometimes I like to dress like an uncle or grandfather. That's just me. It has a pocket in the front, and there's also a white line thing like down the middle, and it is in a beige color. So one of the most popular summer trends that's going on right now is the satin skirts, which I absolutely love. Like, there's actually a couple. Well, there's like 2 skirts in here. So when I went to the thrift store and I seen this, I instantly fell in love. It is this knitted skirt. I thought I was able to like finesse it as as a satin skirt, even though it's knitted. So it's because it is knitted, you would have to wear something underneath. So the last item I got at the Salvation Army in New York are these shorts. It's almost like it's something like a camel style thing. I don't know how to describe this. I just love the fact that I'm able to adjust this part to like suit my waist, and I love how it's also like in orange. You got little orange details. So when my girls and I were walking down Soho, we came across a Bershka. The Bershka everyone talks about online. We were able to go in, and at the time I think they're having like a huge sale, and I wanted to go off, but then I couldn't because like we were going somewhere afterwards and I didn't want to carry so much things. So I walked around the store and my eye caught this lime green midi satin skirt. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's like the perfect green. It's not too light, it's not too dull, and again, it feeds on that neon trend that's been going on for like, I don't know, for the past like 2 years or so. I got it in a size small, and the original price was 30 bucks, but I was able to cop it for $19.90, which I think is a bargain. It's cute. $19.90 USD. The last item, and I think this is probably my favorite item in this haul, is this tote bag I got from opening ceremony. Well, sorry, this isn't the bag. This is like the packaging it came in. It came in this packaging, which is like another tote bag in a tote bag, and this is the bag. Love it. Opening Ceremony is like one of my favorite brands, and I'm like super duper happy I was able to get this. I really wanted like a bigger tote bag, but then they didn't have any bigger ones, and then I seen this and I'm like, it's black, I can wear it like every day, which is cool. So you obviously have the Opening Ceremony logo right at the front, and underneath it is like a pocket, so this is like your first pocket, which I think is cool. And then you also have this ring. And once you open it, there's another pocket like inside, so you got 2 pockets. within this one tote bag, which is cute. Love it, love it, love it, love it. It's a good size. It's a really good size, even though I wanted like a bigger tote bag. All right guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below which item is your favorite, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.